Hello guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to watch all new movies on your iPhone for free. If you're using any iPhone and I want to watch all new movies on your iPhone for free, so let's see how can you do that. So I'm going to tell you about some free movies apps. So the first of all, you have to make sure that you have a strongest internet connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. And after that, you have to open your App Store, go for search, and the very first you have to search for Plex app. Once you have searched, you will get the app. You just have to tap on the get option, and the app will be installed on your phone. Here you can discover movies, web series, or TV shows, and anything else you want to watch. You can see there's a Discovery Plus, Prime Video, Netflix, and everything you can watch here. And after that, the second one is you have to go for search section again and search for OS and plus. You have to search for OS and plus and you'll get the app. You just have to install the app on your phone, and after that you can watch anything, any movie, web series, TV shows on your phone. You can download any movie from here. And after that, there's the third and last one is just watch. So search for just watch app and you'll get the app here. You just have to download and install it on your phone, and you can watch all the movies here you want, or it might be best for web series. So in this way you can easily watch free movies on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.